Doing a little stick carving today. This is how it started, was about 3 inch in diameter limb. And after this season, see I left plenty so this cracking doesn't come all the way through. Cut it on down, shave some off the top, about 1 inch or so here. And you can see I've made these cuts around to take some of the meat off. So from here you want to take a hand plane or a rasp. I usually start working from the back side, and you always push away with it. And you're going to start taking these corners down here. Let's see here. Yeah, starting to take form now. I've got a pretty big hand. It's probably 3 by 4 right now. I'm gonna try to get it down to 3 by 3 inches.